making bath bombs. First we choose our color of baking soda. I'm choosing purple. And I'm choosing pink. First we add the baking soda. Next we add the water. Then we close the lid. Now we mix. Now we add the citric acid. The oil. Now let's stir it. I'm so excited to see what it turned out. Yeah, me too. Now it's all mixed, we're going to shake the bath bomb. First we're adding the sprinkles. Now let's scoop up the mixture. No, you hold me and then put a bit on. I'm going to add a secret surprise. I'm going to choose this dog unicorn. Now I'm going to add more of the mixture. Dry for 30 minutes. It's been half an hour, so let's open it and see what it looks like. It looks like a cupcake, and the top feels like icing. Now it's my turn. I'm going to add it in. Add the citric acid. We're going to be here all day. Really? There you go, Lily. Thank you. Really? Here's our bath bomb, and we're going to test them. Mine smells like pineapple. Mine smells like strawberry. Lily's going to test hers first. Oh my god, it's scary. What does it feel like? It feels like fuzzy. Oh, it's going to make that wild dumping. I'm holding it still. Could let go of it. Oh my god! It still fizzes when it has two strong hands. I know, make your hands. You can let go of it. I'm so ready to drop mine in. Oh my god! Oh my god! Let's do a little. Oh, it feels so weird. Ew, look at my hand. Let's do this. Oh, mine was even bigger. Oh my god. It feels so weird, but it feels so weird when you like squeeze it. All the sprinkles have come down of it. It's just feels so cool. It's so cool. my god. It's still tingling out of the water. What? Oh my god. I need to get it all over my head.
I'm going to keep one of the stars because I like the stars.
Let's drop the whole thing.